National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Belmont County in east central Ohio, Carroll County in east central Ohio, southeastern Columbiana County in east central Ohio, extreme southeastern Coshocton County in east central Ohio, Quincy County in east central Ohio, Harrison County in east central Ohio, Jefferson County in east central Ohio, Monroe County in east central Ohio, southeastern Muskingum County in east central Ohio, Noble County in east central Ohio, eastern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles an hour.
Wow.
These storms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Charlottesville to 6 miles southwest of Philo,
This is
moving
probably
east at 20 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning include, but they're not limited to, Bowdoin, Duncan Falls, Philo, Norwich, Nadenhutton, Chandlersville, New Concord, Willowdale, Lorac State Park, Harrichesville, Campbellton, Gilmore. This will impact the following highways: Interstate 470 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 6. Interstate 70 in West Virginia near mile marker 0. Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 165 and 225. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 18 and 66. In addition to large hail and damaging wind, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is a killer. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This storm has produced widespread wind damage in Coshocton County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Thursday evening for western Maryland and east central Ohio and western Pennsylvania and northern West Virginia. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45
Alright, so this
p.m.
scared
for
the shit out of
Washington,
me when
northeastern Vinton,
it went
Perry,
off.
Morgan, and